Welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are doing a complete altcoin analysis. Now, before we get into the altcoin analysis, make sure to check us out on our main YouTube channel, Mega Whale Crypto, where we post daily videos of Bitcoin focusing on the facts, the data, the technical, and the structural information. No hype, no BS, no emotion, pure raw TA. And if you are interested in more of that kind of content, you can join us on Telegram. That will be the first link down below. You'll get access to charts, updates, videos, educational posts, news events, and everything you need to stay in the loop with cryptocurrency, with Bitcoin, and the relevant economic news. And if you were interested in taking your trading to the next level, you can join us in our VIP group where we post trading setups with exact entry prices, exact targets, exact stop losses, trade justification, exclusive analysis, and so much more. You'll also get access to all of our group chats with over 700 members, our trading chart and education chat, our daily video, help, news, and trade setup chat. So you can find out more information about our VIP in the pinned comment of the free channel by clicking my name, or these two links showing you a video inside the channel and a 50-month trading track record by the first link. Check it out, guys, and let's dive into the altcoin video. Okay, Mega Whale team, let's go ahead and jump into it. And in today's video, we are taking a look at Ethereum and the altcoin market. We are going to keep today's video short and sharp and just smash through it really quickly. As we can see, Ethereum has been in a downtrend for around about a month and a half now, starting mid-December. This downtrend is quite an aggressive downtrend, spanning back from the all-time high at 4,100. We can see Ethereum is getting very close to retesting this trend line for a second time, sitting just around $100 underneath that trend line. For us to see a continuation back to an all-time high and hopefully into price discovery, which will be above 4,100, we need to see two things occur. Number one, we need to see the price action break this downtrending diagonal trend line. And number two, with that breakout, we need to see a respective RSI shift, meaning the RSI needs to break through this diagonal downtrend in conjunction with the price action breakout, which would suggest not only have we had a positive momentum shift, but we have this strength required to push the price higher. If we see both of those things occur, we will confirm that Ethereum has broken this downtrend and will likely continue to its 4,100 resistance or potentially to a new all-time high. But while these levels hold as a resistance and while the RSI is still negative, the possibility for exhaustion and corrections is still on the card. So do not look at this and be like, it is all in for Ethereum, everything's going to go up. No, we are not out of the woods yet for Ethereum. Ethereum still needs to climb a little bit higher to get that confirmation, but it is starting to look pretty good. In terms of our high time frame supports, the main level we are really watching is going to be 2,800. Again, 2,800 is essentially going to be that bear market resistance, okay? If we do come back down to retest this level at any point, that would be a very strong reversal point. And again, if we drop below this point, that is going to be big game over for Ethereum. I do believe Ethereum will likely continue toward the upside, provided the upcoming economic policy surrounding interest rate reductions remain to the bullish side. We do see more than 2 reductions in 2025, but if the Federal Reserve leans heavier into reducing inflation and remains quite bearish, or should I say pessimistic, in the amount of future interest rate reductions we'll see, it is possible that Ethereum could see a correction. So we are not out of the woods, but we are looking good. The future is bright. There is optimism here in these charts, but we do need to see the price action push higher, and we do need to see confirmation from that momentum to suggest we are going to see that continuation. Let's move over to the altcoin market, guys. If you are looking for a new exchange or just want to support the channel, sign up to BitUnix with the link down below. You'll get a lifetime trading fee discount of 15%, which can build up to 45% based on your trading volume, as well as access to a bonus reward center, and of course, all of the exclusive campaigns we run on this exchange. You'll also get access to BitUnix being a non-KYC exchange, meaning you can sign up from anywhere in the globe without regulations. And most importantly, I only promote exchanges I trust and I use. As you can see, I trade on BitUnix very regularly, being the highest VIP level with over $500 million in trading volume for the last 30 days. And lastly, if you were interested in signing up to our other two exchanges, BingX or BitGet, you can also do that via the links down below. You as well will get the 15% trading fee discount and everything else that comes with it. Go ahead and sign up. Thank you for supporting. Let's jump back in. Moving over, the altcoin market is looking pretty well. Again, if you have been following the channel, you would know I called the altcoin season on the 14th of November. I do stand by that. I do believe we are currently in an altcoin season. Now, this altcoin season has been quite miserable for the most part in comparison to other ones. The main reason, again, all comes back to economic policy. Policy stipulates demand. If we look at prior cycles, we had a lot of policy that really pushed the asset markets up. In this instance, we initially had the reduction of interest rates pushing assets up. However, in the December meeting, Jerome Powell came out and said in the Federal Reserve press conference that they're looking to reduce interest rates 2 times in 2025, not the expected 5. And we see that dramatic shift. The perceived systematic risk in the market shifts upwards, becomes a more risk environment, and what happens to more speculative assets within asset classes, they seem to correct. So we have seen altcoins pull down a little bit over the last few weeks after having what was a great rally, right? We saw a fantastic rally from the 14th of November into the beginning of December, and then we saw this correction. But at the moment, the total market cap is still looking very good. We are sitting at 1.09 trillion. If we want to see altcoins have that next leg upwards, we need to break through 1.13 trillion prior to breaking below 840 billion. If we lose 840 billion, it is likely altcoins will not see any more upside. They will likely just continue lower. But if we break through 1.13 trillion, that is going to be that trigger point for a very explosive altcoin rally. Now, if we look at the altcoin season, according to our historical patterns over here, we are in altcoin season. Again, we had the breakout of the dead cat bounce high prior to the all-time high. Okay, post all-time high, dead cat bounce high. Perfect. We broke through that region. Upon the breakout, we saw Bitcoin dominance drop and we saw Bitcoin create a local top. The 3 validations we saw last cycle confirming the altcoin season we have had in the current cycle. Now, we do have to remember, you're probably looking at the altcoin market cap chart and saying, well, altcoin market cap's up 30%. Why are some of my altcoins down 5%? Why are some of them at break even? Well, the big answer to that is there is simply way too many altcoins in this market. It's just, we look at prior cycles. Last cycle, 10,000 altcoins max. The cycle before, around 1,000 to 2,000 altcoins. Now we have like 10,000 altcoins being created a day. So there is more places for the money to move to, which dilutes the market, which does result in the total market cap rising, which doesn't really correlate to those specific individual altcoins as much as it used to. So you do have to take an individual approach on the altcoins you're holding and ask yourself how those coins are really looking to make future decisions. You can't just look at the total. The total is a good guide, but it's not going to be everything you need. Some coins will top different times, some coins will bottom different times, some coins will outperform, some coins will underperform, some coins will just do normal or like on par with what is expected from the altcoin market. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.